It got a little intense around here, but they sure didn't waste any time. Everything started coming off really fast, and then before you even knew it, the whole roof was ripped off, open to that crawl space, and a little bit freaky. The garbage piled up quickly, but they didn't waste any time. They got everything ripped off, and before you know it, they were already starting to put it back together. They worked their butts off, and by the end of the day, they left us with the membrane fully installed and all ready for shingles to go on. But the end of the day brought its own set of problems.
So, what I'm worried about at this point is it looks like they're going to be leaving the roof with the membrane and they're putting fascia boards on right now. And I'm going to assume they're going to leave it like that because it's, 20 after 5. And I mean, it's going to be dark in a couple of hours. I don't know how long they plan on working, but yeah, so there's that. But then there's the fact that they've issued a gale warning now for tomorrow. So I don't know what that means. We're going to have gale force winds and lots of rain. So let's hope that everything doesn't blow apart.